Lately, Apex has had a lot of issues with the Rithmic data, and even sometimes when the markets are extremely busy, we still get lags in the market. But what if I could show you 2 simple tricks today that could help with some of those lag issues? Now, I do want to warn you guys up front before I share with you guys these 2 things. There is no guarantee that this will solve 100% of your problems. Now, for step number 1, you need to go over to your settings tab. Now, for this case, I'm using Windows 11, and I want to come right over here to where it says time and language. Now, we come right up here, we want to click on where it says date and time. From that window, you want to make sure that your clock is going to be synced. So you do want to make sure you're set to the correct time zone that you want your computer to be synced with. Then we come right over to here where it says sync now. I'm going to click on that. And now the computer is going to be synced. Now, this is only going to be step 1. And one thing I've noticed is when I log into the back end of NinjaTrader, I have gotten warning signs saying your clock is not synced. That can also affect the timestamps for the data coming into your charts. Now, if you don't want to manually sync your clock, you can go to Mindberg Global NTP and go ahead and go right here. You can go to where it says download, then click where it says NTP download and scroll down to this file right there. You can go ahead and install that. It'll automatically make sure that your computer is synced so you don't have to go there and do it every day. Now, as a note, this is not something I do. I don't like to install extra software on my computer. So for myself, I'd rather just make it a system check where I go and sync the clock daily. Now for the second step, we need to go into Rithmic, our trader, and this is going to be a very simple step. We want to come right up here to where it says help. From the help, we want to come down to where it says sync clock to Rithmic clock. And I want to go ahead and have it where it says automatically every 2 minutes. So if I click that, admin privileges needed to sync clock, restart as admin. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now, when we did that, we saw Rithmic shut down and then power back up. Now, what I want to go ahead and do now is I want to come back over to the help tab. Then I want to go to where it says sync clock. And you can see now we have a nice little check mark next to it. Now, that should help with some of the delays that we've been seeing with NinjaTrader and Rithmic. Now, as a bonus tip, let's go ahead and talk about something else that you can do to make sure NinjaTrader is running at peak performance. Now, let's go ahead and discuss step number 3. But before we do so, if you haven't yet, smash the like button down below and give the video a big thumbs up. What we want to do now is we want to come over to our Documents tab. Then we want to go ahead and find our NinjaTrader 8 folder. Just simply double click on that. Now, if you're in the AlgoBox community, you have what's called the high priority startup. Now, what this will do is clear all the cache out and go ahead and start up NinjaTrader in high priority. If you do not have AlgoBox, there's another way. You can do this manually. Come right over here to the cache folder. You want to simply open it up, delete everything out of that folder. Then we want to come over here and go to DB, database. From there, you want to go ahead and click on cache, delete everything out of that folder there. Then go over here to day, delete everything out of that folder. Go over here to minute, delete everything from that folder. Then click on tick, delete everything from that tick folder, and that will go ahead and clean up some of the database, which should be another improvement for the NinjaTrader platform. Now, if you'd like to learn a trick within RTrader Pro to help you stop blowing your Apex accounts, watch this video right here.